So please ada di number berku mana mulai.
Sudah nolanya di sana mestinya.
Ada mungkin ada.
Sudah nolanya di sana. Sana tiada mana pun tak boleh.
Tapi, penale ma perek, me tapi, oh use penale. Kau ni me tapi no use penale.
Me tapi boy. So that kodum sudah wata ada acu. Me tapi, oh na sudah orang lain me penale tapi nama koni. Kau suka me Poni, tim koni sih kada jima be.
Sa always lies. They label us as the lazy ones. That never true. But I can feel our homeland. The land of my birth that never been incurious. Wants to be the land that cannot protect a citizen from randomly killed. Why Gambia now? Why Gambia now? The youth are not happy. Why can't they stick to their promises and we obey the rules? These people make rules yet they break them. Gambia, Gambia, Sunyureu. Gambia, Gambia, Sunyureu. Can I maybe edit the anthem? Oh yes, these people forget the anthem. My heart is full of tears and my soul is falling down.
Really, 1 million people in the Sahara Desert just to come and say good evening to you all. Good evening to you all. Before going further, we will let us introduce ourselves to you for the benefit of those who don't know us. My name is Nyamanari TV.
My humble name is Khadija Justice Kurbali.
My name is Khadija Jao. And I am Mariama Bande. I am the blind. People in the society have the belief that I have no aims and objectives. But look, I have the dreams of achieving my aims and objectives. For I am young and energetic, I am blind. So stop isolating, segregating and discriminating me on the street. Help me when I want to cross the road. Even family members feel too big to talk to me. All because of I can't see like them. They call me the blind. Oh, why? Why do they even call me the blind? Don't you know we are all gathered by the Almighty Allah? Hey, you're me and my airport. Give me support to handle. There is no situation which is coming up for you calling me the blind. For you may not know what you will end up being tomorrow. So it's that time we stop the isolation, the segregation, and the discrimination.
Oh no! Situation are not permanent. Yes, I have the fit. I am the cripple. Few days before having an accident, mom says goodbye. Like that, who takes care of me every day and night? The one who plays the role of a mother, the one who comforts me, the one who sings songs just to make me happy. Whenever this goes wrong, so sad, then he also said goodbye. When I need things the most, I don't get the opportunity to do things by myself. I became lonely, helpless and pointless. People treat me unequal. Why? Because no one knows how situation will meet them. The monkey no boy tell Benjamin. No one knows how situation will meet them. Tamole koli ata bulokon. Martin and Tokyo le sabanya. Omo ala temple.
We try to be hopeful, but right now very hopeless. Try to become, but better is not true. See, I am sick and tired of this life, not because I am aimless, but because the society view towards me. I am being segregated, discriminated, and isolated. My brother is a president and could not provide me with clothing. My uncle is an ambassador and could not provide me with shelter. My father is a businessman and could not provide me with food. So why do you depress me? Why can't you give me courage? And why can't you help me? See, I do not deserve to be called a beggar. It's just because I have nothing, absolutely nothing at hand. See, this was never my home, not my dream, and never my goal. When I was 4, on their heads, moving their lips. What a miracle thought it was. My friends never let me sit with them. They never let me play with them. Whenever I'm around, they run away if I saw. The toxic laughter with their angry faces as well as the devil. I wonder what kind of language they communicate. For all I know is they act so different from me. My mom is the only one who understands me. She is the only one who loves and cares for me. And still asks, who am I yet? What am I? Why is everyone talking about me so different and difficult? Then comes, when I was 12, reality knocked me on my face like an acid burn in my heart. I have a long way to go, so allow me to go. Don't let this flow or look me low. Just give me the hope. I want to help it grow and give you all the harvest. Don't beat me, hate me, insult me. Just speak or hear I speak, but I am content of how I look it, little or much. My heart cannot be to hear the tear of ear.
My name is Nyamanari, a fan from Manju. God, it is just so crazy seeing our youth dying in the name of peace. Keeping me wondering why are they such in a rush to put themselves into a post life. As a teenager, he became a drug addict, featuring the bondage. Dear youth, I want you to understand that temptation, embarrass, redemption, and get ready for salvation. For good is dangerous. The innocent woman cried for her son because she could believe he is gone so soon. Hearing the death of an individual every day makes me surprised. And so I ask, when shall we rise from such privileges? Dear youth, please, let's flush away good, for it is dangerous. The ambitious poetess.
Before hitting the nail on the tail, I would like to introduce my humble self. My name is Aisha Rupiati, a representative from Pasemane Kunda. Oh, my heart bleeds when I see my fellow Gambians abandoning their culture and adopting the foreign Jamaican culture, promoting the use of cannabis and marijuana, which only serve as a menace to our youth, giving them hopeless hope on the journey to Babylon with no guarantee of any success, realizing that their Babylonian dream is nothing but mere fantastic. They are obliged to live a meaningless life full of stress and total dispute. Oh, it pains my heart when I see my fellow Gambia use this as a mantra. Man to my days cigarette white I ask myself, what's the difference? Why do my people choose to serve such negativity, which absolutely used to no productivity? Is this the lifestyle we should model and model for our young ones? Where are the days when my Gambian daughters and sisters used to promote modelistic in their dress school, representing the true African beauty and morality, keeping what on expose should be kept and seen by our husband. Oh, how I remember those days when greeting our elders was the best dish. It has now become a product upon us. Oh, how I see Gambia elders before in time to learn the skills and the tradition of this humble nation. Thank you for your kindness. Once again, my name is Aisha Rupiati, representing from Pasemane Kunda. Thank you. Panel of judges, ladies and gentlemen, invited guests, my fellow participants, I greet you all in the highest unit of Islam, in the name of Allah. I said Assalamu alaikum to you all. Before going any further, I would like to introduce myself for the benefit of those who don't know me. I am Tida Drame, a representative of Kansala FC. I am here to deliver a speech untitled based on course. You were born as a beautiful child. Your parents had a dream to make you wonderful and a worthy child. They did all their best for you with their struggle and pain. Now they have pains in their heart to know you are taking drugs. Their worries and pains in their heart you cannot see. Tears on their faces you cannot wipe. They love you and taking care on you. Why should you take drugs? Drugs are bad for you and kill you slowly. They can make you crazy and lazy. Your thoughts will take your parents' breath away. Your own health will kill your parents slowly.
important. When you call them for help, if I follow you from the Jama on the way after I be the boom balcon. When you start paying from the door on the way after I be night below. What I'm buying my son of a natural moon, they will allow and not tell. But the generation of our moral order will burn our soul as we turn against God.